picking out your cones for apexes and track outs. As you can see them.
Yeah. I love these engines, man. Who would have thought back in the day that AMG would be doing the best turbo V8s in the game?
Just unwind the wheel first and now gas. Good. Squeeze it. There we go.
I'm gonna lift early.
That's enough. Smooth steering. Good.
Where should I be braking up here?
I don't know. Here. It's slippery and everything.
Yeah.
Still.
This is starting to dry out a little bit, which is nice.
Yeah. Unwind. Now go. Good. Brake early here. Yep.
Ginger with that throttle. I'm just breathing on it and I'm seeing flashing lights.
Yeah.
Try to stay in the, it's a little wet on the left, so I've been staying a little inside here.
Yep. Let's see if you can get back to an apex here.
Right over here. And then we come up to the motorcycle chicane, nice and hard on the brakes here. This one's tighter. Right there.
Yeah. Just keep marching your eyes up and keeping your eyes up.
This one's slippery.
Yep. It's fine. Just be ginger with it. Squeeze on, squeeze on, squeeze on, squeeze on. Then you got to kind of hold what you got through there to tuck over here. There you go. Nice job.
Thank you.
Is that fun?
I do like this car, and it's pretty intuitive, to be honest, as far as like throttle, brake, and steering. Everything kind of aligns to a full package, which is not something you can say about every sports car, or sports sedan for that matter.
Yeah, you could give a car more power than this one has, but the amalgamation of everything working together in concert, they have been crushing it lately.
Yeah.
AMG, just, it's cool.